More than 54,000 homes, farms and businesses are without power due to Storm Bram across the country this evening.
The reason we chose dam easing was because we think it's something that will be effective and fast. Dam easy system at the time seemed to be our best option for a system that we could rely on and that we could also assemble within a couple of minutes. I can safely say that this came in very handy just recently. We had a flash flood here, we're just by the sea. With the following 8 minutes, the entire place was flooded. And the following 8 minutes after that, the water level was up to the windows at the front of the building. If it hadn't have been for Dam Easy, there's no doubts that we would have had extensive flooding right throughout the building, which would have been detrimental to our business and our busy run up to Christmas. So we're able to have any one of our members of staff, men or women, young or old, be able to come along and assemble a system and disassemble the system. So that's crucial to us because we don't know what day we're going to need to put these up with and what morning they're going to need to be taken down. So that's another huge benefit to having along with this system.